I have somebody working on it at school.
Okay,
Somebody's
so
got to fix my computer.
okay.
All right. So this is 31 actually. I was subtracting. Yeah. Anyways, I was making a mistake earlier. We're looking for that side. An angle side angle is actually law of sines. So we're gonna figure out what that third angle is. So then we can set up this ratio here, and we're gonna have 15 over the sine of 51 equals the other side, and the 131 was only used to figure out that that was 51, but it's not. It's actually 31. I miswrote it. Okay. All right. So with that, let's fix this guy. So 15 times the sine of 18. Okay, and I am in degrees, so I'm all set. Hit enter. Divide by the sine of 31. And we got 9, so our answer is 9. All right, finding AC. Let's see, we're going shooting for this guy. All right, that's perfect for a side angle. That is also law of sines because I can set up 16 over the sine of 30 equals the blank side x over the sine of 89. Okay, so this is almost, we could almost use the opposite over hypotenuse because this is so close to a right angle. You could actually almost use sine for this, but that's okay. Let's do 16 times the sine of 89, and then we're going to divide by, which is basically 16, divide by the sine of 30. And it looks like it's 32. Okay, let's just see actually what the sine of 9. I want to see how off this would have been. We know the answer is 31.995, so it's very close to 32. But let's just pretend that that was a right angle. Let's see how close that was. It would be O over H, so the sine of 30 would be O over H, 16 over the X. So now if we just did 16 divided by the sine of 30, we'd get 32. So if we just pretended that was 90 degrees, we were so close, you could just use sine. So yeah, there you go. All right, what's this? We got angle side side. Okay, so an angle side side is a problem. All right, this is the one where you've got to look out for ambiguous issues. So let's see what we can do here. Do I have more of these? Okay, yeah. I think this guy is a angle side side. Yeah, so this is the ambiguous cases right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do let's see, this guy here. Trying to find this guy. Okay. So 15 is to 30 sine of 39 as 14 is to the sine of b. All right. So 14 sine 39 degrees equals 15 sine b. So we're going to put that over 15. Okay, now let's see what we get here. So 14 times the sine of 39. Then we're going to divide by 15. Okay, so that is a positive 0.587. Okay, so sine of b equals 0.587. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to do the arc sine, and the arc sine is going to give me an angle in the first or fourth quadrants. Now it is positive, so I'm only going to be in the first quadrant, okay? But I want to, well, here, let's just do it. So the inverse sine of this guy, okay, is 35.9. Okay, so that's 36 degrees. So 36 degrees is, yeah, just right. Okay, we didn't have to worry about it being over 90 degrees. If it was in 90 degrees, we would have an issue of it being in the second quadrant. Okay, so we're good. Over here, looks like we've got 53 over the sine of 124 equals 29 over the sine of c. Okay, so 29 times the sine of 124 divided by 53 is going to equal that. And we're going to find the sine of c, the arc sine. So arc sine of this guy. Okay, and that's 26.9. So that is okay. We're still in the first quadrant, so our answer is 27. All right, what else we got? All right, I'm going to stop there. I'm going to try to do this by pages.